Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Mia, Gunna, Technic,
5 seconds
Push,
till the
Turret.
enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them.
Asal betul lag ni?
All troops deployed.
Macam tu?
The melody is my calling. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. You're falling flat. Initiate retreat. We're behind in gold. We're behind in gold.
Apa sah?
Kau ada setting grafik kau kan?
Tak ada. Tadi tu lah. Tadi update kan iOS. Update lagi.
Mungkin kot iOS.
Crush the tempo.
Hai, dia nak tak Julian aku pula dia. Apa sah ni tak cantik grafik aku?
Need a new playlist.
Tak tahu macam mana.
Okey ni kot.
Okey, mantap lah.
An enemy has been slain. Enemy double kill. Sometimes I don't know if I'm in Harmonia or a dream.
Cuba saya nak tolong awak lah. Sanggup mati demi awak ni.
Kakak tu dia cakap macam tu. Jadi
I know I can count on my friends.
Jap. Jom betul.
ni datang barang.
It's all just one big melody, isn't it?
Tolong curi
The
dulu.
enemy has slain the turtle. Can't fight the beast. You're out of tune. An enemy has been slain. Off the stage.
Mereka ni tak apa overthinking. Kalau aku tak balik, tak pakai sayap.
Can't fight the beast.
Aris datang kat korang.
Ally has been
Yo,
slain.
flicker.
A whistling arrows like music to my ears.
Main low.
Can't fight the beast.
Jap Tony naik. Aku hantarkan dia. Kau get SP.
Face the music.
Oi,
Slain.
aku tak boleh elak daripada dia ke kan? Ni. Aku dah tekan hati tak hilang Habis ni. Dia memang boleh nampak aku walaupun dah hati.
An enemy has been slain.
Boleh?
Lukas.
Boleh.
Oh, mak kau hijau. Ada anjing. Sini, main kat tower kita anjing. Allah.
Crush the tempo.
Sekejap gini.
An enemy has been slain. Can't fight the beast.
Bottom mak Mia. Bolsek dia ni tu.
Get into the rhythm.
Tolong.
Nanti kau faham.
Need assistance.
Bolsek kau habis tu. Sekejap aku langgar kucing.
Can't fight the beast.
Mesti lah. Dia tahu lah tu.
Ever heard a guitar riff on a bow? Didn't think so.
Dia tahu. Oh, turtle lagi tu. Mia, jom tolong turtle Mia.
Jom. Tak ada ni tahu pula macam gila nak datang.
Can't fight the beast. An ally has not ready the turtle. Initiate retreat.
Nanti luar. Berlalu.
Can't fight the beast.
Wah.
Yeah.
Kenapa mati wah?
To the beat. Push the tempo.
Sedang.
Need assistance. Need assistance.
Skill pun mati enemy.
Okay, jom.
Tolong.
Oh.
An enemy has been slain.
Ni lagi.
Double kill. Allah.
Oh, lepas.
Duk kena.
Tak penuh. Balik wak. Tadi
Need
je.
assistance.
Tinggalkan saya.
Rampage.
Lama je.
Initiate retreat.
Can't fight the beat.
Not ready.
Hai,
Oh, barang tu balik.
aku pijak air tu tadi.
Awak tunggu saya, Wak.
Our turret
Saya, Wak.
has been destroyed.
Naik.
The turret. Enemy unstoppable.
Kita malah pula.
Sometimes music is chaotic. If we work together, the chords will resolve.
Initiate retreat.
Duk kena barang tu. Gila.
Ya Allah. Oh, tadi bisa.
Get into the rhythm.
Aku buat ni.
Oh, patutlah. Kau tak mati tu, wak. Aduh.
Dah, janganlah marah.
Tak apa, tak apa. Mia buat gini. Mia, ambil mic Mia.
Nak ambil ni, Haris tak datang kat aku. Ambil
Can't
Haris.
fight the beat.
Orang datang backup tu. Ambil je mic.
Aku kira satu je tu.
Oh, badan semua dah datang. Ui.
Can't fight the beat.
Ada tu lah.
Fix the music.
Dah Mia.
Enemy double kill.
Toleh.
Baik,
Ada Julian. Apa nama?
Tadi Mia.
Apa? Angela masuk badang.
Your team destroyed a
Tarik.
turret.
Oh. Yelah.
Angela masuk badang tadi. Tu, pundek tu.
Mia. Dia kokit terbukir.
Ui. Boleh ke?
Boleh. Kita Mia. Jom.
Jom. Tony, jangan mati Tony.
Supernova, let's play for all of Harmonia.
Oi, cepat sangat ni.
Macam meja belum ada item lagi tu. Okey.
Dua.
Need a new playlist.
Pun dua juga.
Kita dah tadi tu. Patutnya jangan tu.
Tak ingatkan dia nak pusing tepi.
Pak Anco ni. Tak ada
Launch
bising kan?
attack.
Pak, jangan ke depan sangat, Pak. Biar saya buka bush tu.
Eudora,
Go badang.
Rafaela, Supernova will be reunited.
Allah, tiga lah.
Initiate retreat.
Whether you're human or AI, let's band together for Harmonia.
Initiate retreat.
Can't fight the beat. Yeah. My arrows won't stop until the soul blight dissipates. Gotta regroup for the All-Star celebration.
Ah, langgar. Aku nak datang.
Shut down. Shut down.
Alamak.
Sekarang Lucas belum ada ultimate tu bunuh ya.
I track my enemies through anything.
Shut down. Your team destroyed the turret. Enemy has been slain.
Dia sempat.
Can't fight the beat.
Ni kita tahu.
Your team destroyed the turret.
Jom, Pak. Oh, pam.
Can't fight the beat.
Sudah mari. Allah,
An enemy has been slain.
You're falling flat.
Lord.
Can't fight the beat.
Jangan nak tu.
Can't fight the beat. Push the tempo. To the beat.
Oi, dia dah naik pula. Dia masuk pula.
Allah, Jen.
Sorry. Dia nak mati Lucas tu. Lucas tu. Angela masuk pula.
Bang Kodu ambil ungu kumbang.
Allah, Akbar. Sorry, tadi. Ada tower kat situ. Kalau dah hancur pun dia kena lagi ya?
Tigra selalu takut aku.
Need a new playlist.
Gila aku lari pun tak lepas kat sana tu. Malam.
Kau ambil tengah
Been slain.
Soulblight corrupts the city like a cloud over the sun.
Bila tower tu hancur tak nampak.
Bundek lah.
Are my memories real or just AI projections? All I know is that I belong here. Let the power of music heal this world.
You destroyed a turret.
Baik hidup lah.
Let's jam. Can't fight the beat.
Oi.
Can't hear the music.
Macam payah lah. Boleh awak? Awak rasa boleh?
Tak.
Boleh. Yakin.
Jalan.
Akak pun dah banyak item dah tu. 3 item.
Main macam ni lah pakai minyak, ya? Ada Lukas Pundek ni, dia ludah sekali mati terus. Dia ludah ke apa?
Ya udah.
Ini
Yang
tak
dia tu je.
ajak. Baby dah main lah.
Need a new playlist.
Aduh, baby.
Yang tu kalau tahu tu bulu kucing tu yang jilat tu. Bola tu.
Oh, mampu anjing.
Weh, jangan langgar macam tu.
Sorry, ingatkan seorang.
Okay,
Let the power of music heal this
Dia
world.
orang dah all out.
Launch attack.
Sorry, Wak.
Dora's called me back to Harmonia.
Aku ingatkan Angela seorang rupanya.
Kalau saya tak maafkan tu.
Lot.
Battle
Ya, aku
spell
pegang
and
tembak.
cooldown. Ally has been slain.
Can't fight the beat. To the beat.
Shut down.
Push the tempo.
An enemy has been slain.
Can't fight the
Turret
beat.
has been destroyed. You destroyed a turret.
Push the tempo.
Turret is under attack. You have been slain.
Weh. Dia langgar aku dari belakang. Mana bunuh padang tu. Tu ji. Alah, tak lepas
Apa. Mana aku habis je ni, aku malas.
Initiate retreat.
Okay, lot.
Attack the Lord.
Jap, aku balik.
Bang Taji ambil buff merah, buff ungu aku.
Kalau kamu tolong okey lah. Aku lambat ni ambil.
Need a new playlist.
Jangan macam tu. Jangan macam tu, baby. Kan baby main tadi.
An ally has been slain. Enemy double kill.
Mistake tu.
Itu kan nak tak apa.
Can't fight the beat.
Ni boleh enter terus tu. Jauh di sini.
Tu ji, kacau
A
dia orang tu
whistling
ji.
arrows like music to my ears.
Orang piang ni. Mana?
Let's jam. Your data's been wiped. Music to my ears.
Launch attack.
Padang tu jahat lah. Dia lagi langgarkan badan ni.
Ambil lot.
Push the tempo.
You slain an enemy.
Your life was dissonance.
Slain. Attack the Lord.
Keluar bang.
Let's see how it plays. Can't fight the beat.
Baby jangan cakap macam tu.
Off
baby.
the stage.
Buat Ijaz sedih lah.
Bunda yang buat je tadi.
Baby nak
Can't fight the
left
beat.
hook lah. Aduh.
Dah satu lagi. Doji
Soulblight
ada.
corrupts the city like a cloud over the sun. Your code was corrupted by the Soulblight.
Isi minyak jap.
Kau nak ni tak? Toji.
Can't fight the beat.
Bos ungu aku ada ni.
Nak. Gila ni.
Saya tak perasan. Allah.
Sini bang, aku bantu.
Dia masuk, Wak. Dia boleh masuk.
Can't fight the beat.
Ada abang
Music to
video.
my ears.
Request backup.
Belah dulu. Kau dengan Toji ke?
Eudora, Rafaela,
Tidak.
Supernova will be reunited.
Jap guys. Minyak jap.
Ult is not ready.
Ui.
Baik, dengan kiraan 3, 2, 1.
Face the music.
Woi, sikit ni.
Aku end.
Kau bomba sampai.
Victory!